Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. Today we are going to be looking at the price prediction right here for September for the crypto market. And one of the things we love to see on the channel, for some of the OGs on the channel, is that September is the accumulation month, right? We call this the September trap. Do not fall for the September trap. Now, this is the monthly earnings for the crypto market or Bitcoin basically. And one of the things we could see right here that we had the most red months. This is the monthly earnings for the crypto market in September. The one you would remember the most was 2023, which was last year. For some of you that has been in the crypto market, you would remember that most of the month we were consolidating towards the downside, but we later ended the month in green. And I did a series last year about the September trap, saying that this was the accumulation point, as usually our best month in crypto is usually October, as you can see. So right, you want to be looking for your entries in September as prices are pushing to the downside, as we are about to see astronomical gains in October. So please do not fall for the September trap. Also, according to our model, the R model, we have been saying after each halving you see some little consolidation and then the massive bull run. As you can see, after the second halving, let me just get this right here, after the second halving for Bitcoin in the crypto market, we saw some few months of consolidation, massive bull run. Same thing right here in the third halving in 2020. After we saw the halving, some little months of consolidation, massive bull run. Now we have been expecting right here that after the halving, want to see some few months of consolidation, probably till the end of September, like we said, Q4, and then we are going to see a massive bull run. So expect to get your entries right here in September to see the massive bull run to which we are going to see in this year of 2024, right? So I would be showing you what I'm expecting, the targets I am expecting for your coin in September of 2024 for us to buy in and see that massive target, and also our bull run target for this year 2024 by October to November. Thank you for watching. Arbitrum, right? So we're on the chart right here for Arbitrum versus the USD Theta on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source. And so to find our price prediction right here for the month of September / October, right here for Arbitrum, as you can see, Arbitrum saw this push to the downside in 2023, so push to the upside to form new all-time highs in 2024, and since then we have seen this massive push to the downside. So drawing our Fibonacci price prediction tool from the top to the bottom, as you can see, Arbitrum forming new all-time lows right here on the chart for Arbitrum. So but basically one of the things we should consider right here is that September we usually see sort of that fake out, which we called it in the intro, the September trap, right, where we could just see prices just push to the downside, but you want to be accumulating as prices are red, right? Because if we see this sort of accumulation, usually in October we usually outperform every single thing which we saw in basically in September. So every single dump we saw in September we outperform, and if that happens, Arbitrum could go as high as the $3.4 level, right? So Arbitrum could still see further more downside, basically just consolidation throughout September, and expect another massive push towards the upside right here in October, right? So that's our update and price prediction right here for Arbitrum. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.